Hi, I'm Blake Brosey with Smart Foundation Repair, and I want to tell you a little bit about where we came from, because it really tells you about why we do what we do. Our story begins with Johann Jacob Brosey in 1863. Johann Jacob Brosey was a blacksmith, and for 3 generations, my family forged steel. But not only did they forge steel, they forged a legacy of values. And those values were passed down like precious heirlooms through my family generations, to my GP and to my father and to me. In fact, we had this saying that's ein Mann ein Wort, which means a man his word, or rather a promise is a promise. Over the years, I watched my dad embody these principles. No matter the challenges, he always kept his promises, standing firm like old German stubbornness. So my entry into the foundation repair industry came actually quite unexpectedly. I was a general contractor and real estate investor, and I needed to repair 6 of my own homes all at once. And I knew that we didn't have the crews internally to do it, so I started subcontracting it out. And what I found shocked me. No standards and quotes ranging from $1,500 to $25,000 for the exact same job. This is where Smart Foundation Repair was born. The name SMART wasn't just about using advanced technologies, it reflected our commitment to making smart decisions for our clients, offering smart solutions to complex problems, and running our business with smart, ethical practices that my ancestors valued highly. Today, after 6 generations of craftsmen, Smart Foundation Repair stands as a bridge. It's a bridge between these old German values and this American grit and cutting-edge technology. And we're carrying on a family tradition of craftsmanship that spans generations and continents. So for true peace of mind, smart homeowners know the smart choice is Smart Foundation Repair.